Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the end of an era, the final chapter of Germany's Gepard-class missile boats. Yep, as of November 16, 2016, the German Navy has officially retired its last 4 Gepard-class fast attack craft, which means Germany's fast attack squadron is no more. The Type 143A Gepard class were Germany's last missile-bearing fast attack craft, serving since the early 1980s. Built to be agile and lethal, each boat displaced roughly 390 tons. They measured about 57.6 meters and could sprint at 40 knots. They packed a serious punch, armed with 4 mm-38 Exocet anti-ship missiles. They weren't just boats. These craft were named after small predators, Gepard meaning cheetah, puma, Hermelin meaning stoat, all the way to Hyäne meaning hyena. The last 4, Hermelin, Zobel, Frechen, Hyäne, were officially decommissioned on November 16, 2016 during a ceremony at Warnemünde base, marking the end of Germany's fast attack craft era. Why retire them? Naval strategy and technology evolved. Germany moved towards more capable vessels like the modern Braunschweig-class corvettes. These are designed for multi-role operations and better suited for today's maritime challenges. Post-decommissioning, not all boats faded into oblivion. P-6121 Gepard was turned into a museum ship in Wilhelmshaven. Earlier, Nurs and docks were transferred to the Ghana Navy in 2012. The rest? Likely scrapped, used for training, or cannibalized for spare parts. Think of these boats as symbols of Cold War naval strategy, fast, offensive deterrents suited for coastal defense. Their decommissioning reflects Germany's shift in defense philosophy. The focus has moved towards networked, versatile platforms with advanced electronics, drones, and integrated air defense systems. So what happened? Germany retired its last Gepard-class missile boats on November 16, 2016, ending decades of fast-craft use. Why? Tactical relevance faded. Modern naval warfare requires flexible, integrated vessels. These boats were iconic Cold War-era platforms, now in museums or foreign service, replaced by corvettes like the Braunschweig class, better suited for modern demands. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which naval topic you want next. Until next time, stay curious.